we have a new plugin, and as always there's a link in the description if you want to test this one. Last few releases from Waves has been kind of problem-solving plugins. This time it's all about vibe and character, and it's called Stressbox. I have been using this for a while now, and I have to say it's a fantastic plugin. It's instant vibe, but using it live you have to be careful. It's not subtle. This little rascal can easily blow up your whole gig. It's really powerful. So taking a look at the plugin, it's actually just one knob. Well, there's 3 knobs. Okay, there's 4 knobs and there's a button to turn it on and off. So turning this to the right you get compression. First it's kind of subtle, then it's more aggressive. Then if you crank the input you get, do I dare to say, nuke compression. But it's not nice and clean compression. It's gritty and dirty, and if you crank it you get some distortion. So it's perfect for anything that needs just a bit more bite. So that's compression, but if you turn it to the left, you get expansion, and using it on drums, it works kind of like a gate almost. So you could of course use one as kind of a gate and then another one as, you know, some spank. So I absolutely encourage you to try this one out. There's a link in the description, and don't be careful. Take care.